Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my review on Pond's Mineral Clay Mask review. Here I have two masks with me. One is Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution Mineral Clay Mask. It is a deep clean detox clay mask with activated charcoal, and the other one is Pond's White Beauty Mineral Clay Mask. It is a deep clean brightening clay mask with vitamin B3+. This is the smaller package. It costs 30 rupees for 8 grams. This White Beauty Brightening Clay Mask claims it brightens your skin tone instantly. This White Beauty Mineral Clay Mask contains natural origin Moroccan clay which is enriched with minerals known to absorb impurities and deep clean skin. It is also combined with vitamin B3 so that it will give you a bright skin. And this Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution Mineral Clay Mask contains the same natural origin Moroccan clay, and it is combined with detox charcoal technology, so it gently refines skin texture and provides cleansing for extra glow with every wash. So both the clay mask contains Moroccan clay, and one other extra ingredient differs. It contains vitamin B3 and this one contains activated charcoal. As you can see, this mask comes in a simple sachet with a cap. Let's see the consistency of this mask. This mask is light pink in color and it has a very smooth consistency with medium thickness. You just need to apply this clay mask all over your face and neck. Just apply a thin layer of it. You can leave this mask for 10 to 15 minutes and after that you can wash it off with lukewarm water. Before going to share my experience, let me show you the consistency of this one. It also has a similar consistency and thickness, but this is in grey color. I feel this brightening mask is little drier than the anti-pollution mask in consistency. So after 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off with lukewarm water. This mask smells really nice. It has a similar kind of smell like Pond's cream. After washing it off, your skin feels very clean and fresh. Both of these masks are really good for oily skin people. It removes dullness and gives you a very bright skin. If you're a person who travels a lot, your skin may become damaged because of pollution, dust, sun. In that case, you can try this anti-pollution activated charcoal mask. It removes all the impurities from your skin very well. It deep cleans your skin. Both of these are really good in removing impurities and oil from your skin. Generally, clay masks are really good to remove excess oil from your skin, and especially in summers it helps a lot. This face mask is really good for normal and oily skin people. For dry skin people, this face mask is not that great because it may leave your skin more dry. If dry skin people want to use this clay mask, make sure you apply a moisturizer after some time. Apart from that, everything is good about this product, and this product is affordable too. Because of this sachet packaging, you can easily carry this product. If you want to buy a clay mask in budget, then you can try this product. So this is my experience with Pond's Mineral Clay Mask. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.